Mga Giritera, Balladeers, mga next top icons, lahat sila dito maglalaban-laban para maging defending champion.
Yes, eto naman, next level na talaga ang singing showdown natin. At syempre, ibang level na rin ang challenge namin. Eto na ang Dildos Kantahan Challenge with Champion.
Ididependa ng ating Dildos Kantahan champion na si
Hindi, seryoso ko talaga po. Eto na yung part.
What does this time?
Eto naman, will he make it? Or baka naman mamaya may bago na tayong champion. Siyempre, lahat ng katanungan mo, masasagot yan ng ating mga
Totoo yan.
judges. Kasama pa rin natin si Michelle, si Glyza at si Iwa.
Totoo, at dahil todo ang kantahan dito, todo rin ang kantahan sa Eat Bulaga mamaya. Panoorin niyo po, kakanta ng live ang Air Supply! Nako, kung makakapasok pa kayo, pagkatapos tumakbo na kagad kayo sa kabila. At panoorin niyo ang Eat
Oo
Bulaga.
nga, mismo yung air supply na yan.
Okay, tuloy na natin ang kantahan ng unang singing challenger ngayong araw from Sampaloc, Manila. Angie Quinto, this is your moment!
Your heart beating, and I wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me or the end. But then I keep your eyes and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep as I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest things will never do until miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one fight. I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you right here, right now, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, feel your heart so close to mine, and to stay here in this moment for the rest of time. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when the dreams of the year, the sweetest things will never do until miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Oo, kakaibang birit yun, ha?
Grabe, ang taas ng boses para si Energy Velasquez lang, diba?
The Asian Songbird. Siya po na Sampaloc.